Good morning students. Today it's my third video, class 7th, subject maths, class 7th, chapter 1, integers. I explain the exercise 1.3 today. At first, all the students open your NCERT books, exercise 1.3. It is the question number 1. Find the product 3 into minus 1. Basically, we change here the sign. All of you student of class 7th know about that the multiply, but here no matter of the multiply. Here only explain how can we change the sign. It is the plus digit, it is the minus digit. So every time you listen carefully, you have the in one question, you have sign in odd number. ओड नंबर इज 1 3 5 7 9. अगर आपके साइन किसी भी एक क्वेश्चन में चाहे डिवाइड में है चाहे मल्टीप्लाई में है, प्लस माइनस अदर मैटर, अगर 2 4 6 में की काउंटिंग आती है तो हमारे जो आंसर है वो पॉजिटिव डिजिट में आएंगे. 2 4 6 8 इट इज द इवन नंबर. और अगर ओड नंबर में तो हमारा आंसर नेगेटिव साइन में आएगा. तो यू काउंट द नेगेटिव साइन. दोज आर द इन इवन नंबर, तो वी फाइंड द आंसर इन पॉजिटिव. ओड नंबर्स इट मींस नेगेटिव, एंड दोज साइन इन इवन फॉर्म, तो वी फाइंड द आंसर इन पॉजिटिव साइन. सिमिलरली हियर ओनली वन साइन, तो -3, -125, minus minus plus 630, here -316, here 15 into 0, to 0 0 into -18 0. No matter of the sign, because 0 not a positive number, not a negative number. So it's question number E. minus 12 into -11 into -10. तो we find the answer in plus sign या minus sign. 1 2 3 it is the odd counting, so we find the answer in negative sign. But in our question it is the positive. It is the 2 sign, so we find the answer in the positive. 12 into 11, 22 carry 13 into 10, 1320. It's our answer. So similarly, you solve the question number 1. Question number solution 2. Verify that verify 18 into 7 into 4 is 7 plus -3 equal 18 into 7 plus 18 into -3. तो it is the RHS side, it is the LHS side. You solve it. देखो 18 at first we solve the bracket. 7 positive, it is the minus, तो 4 equal 18 7 जा 126 plus, but here minus sign, 18 3 जा 54, 18 4 जा 72, minus here 272. Yes, because LHS and RHS side are equal. Similarly, you solve the question number B. Question number third. In question number third, in first, -1 into a is equal. So you know that about -1 into a, we find the answer in. और हम और गहराई में जाएं तो 1 into a, we find the answer in a, positive sign. B, determine प्रोडक्ट इज -1. आपके इस क्वेश्चन में 22 है ए में. बी इज डिजिट इज -37 एंड सी इज 0. तो वेयर वी फाइंड द आंसर 1. 22. In according your question, we do the multiply every digit of -1. So what is the answer? So here into -1, -22. But our question is -22. So here minus, so we answer in +22. -37 into -1, we answer 37. C में 0 into -1, आंसर is 0. Solution 4, find the product using suitable property. So you know that about already properties, distributive property, associative property, many property, zero property, commutative property. Those property we use, we write there. In question number 5th, fourth, -1 into 5. Write various product showing some patterns. Show the pattern -1 into -1 equal 1. So you write the more patterns. -1 into 5. So we find the answer in -5. -1 into 4, we find the answer -4. It is the similar of this. -1 into 3, -3. -1 into 2, -2. -1 into -1, it is the answer 1. So here one sign is the negative, so answer is negative. Two sign are the negative, so answer is positive. Solution 5th. Solve according, you find the product according properties using suitable property. Question number first is 26 into -48 into plus -48 into -36. देखो it is the distributive property because here plus sign -48 and -48 is the common digit. So we find the common -48. 26 plus minus के 36, तो -48 into -10 because minus digit, so we find the answer in 580. It is the distributive property. Question number 2, 8 into 53 into 125. Question number 2, 8 into 53 into minus 125. You using at first descending order. 53 is greater into 8 into minus 125. So at first we multiply 8 into 125. 1000 minus. So answer is minus 53,000. So it is properties commutative. माइनस फोर्थ का सेकंड थर्ड, सो क्वेश्चन फिफ्थ का थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज 15 इंटू माइनस 25 इंटू -4 इंटू -10. It's our question. To you solve it according commutative property. In easy way, 15 into -4 into -10 into -25. We arrange in the descending order. 15 into -4 into minus plus 250. 15 minus 1000. We find the answer minus 15,000. Understand? Similarly, you solve the question. Remains question. Similarly, you solve it. Question number 6. Certain a freezing require the room temperature lowered from 40 degrees Celsius. The rate of 5 degrees Celsius per hour gone down. So what is the temperature after 10 hours? So it is a very simple solution. 6, present temperature 40 degrees Celsius and decrease temperature -5 degrees Celsius per hour. So after 8 hours has gone down temperature -5 into 8. Sorry, 8 hours mean after 10 hours according to your question. -15 degrees Celsius. तो 40 डिग्री -50 डिग्री सेल्सियस इज इक्वल -10 डिग्री सेल्सियस. तो योर टेम्परेचर आफ्टर 10 आवर्स -10 डिग्री सेल्सियस. 7th, in a class test containing 10 questions, 3 marks awarded for correct answer, -2 marks awarded by the wrong answer, and those students not attempt any question, so they find the 0 answer. So one student score is 1 correct answer is 5. So Mohan, only I am explain that it has the 3 question, only explain the question number first. Mohan given the answer 4 correct and 6 incorrect. व्हाट इज हिज स्कोर? तो 4 करेक्ट, 4 into 5, 20 marks करेक्ट, एंड 6 into 3, क्योंकि रॉन्ग आंसर फॉर 3 marks, तो 6 3 जा 18, it is the minus marking, incorrect. तो what is his score? Sorry, incorrect के लिए -2, 12. तो his score is 8. Understand? Similarly, according question, you solve the question number 2nd and 3rd of question 7th. 8th, a cement company earn profit per bag of white cement and he loses 5 bag per grey cement. तो ये कंपनी सेल 3000 सॉल्यूशन 7th, a person find the profit per white bag and got loss rupees 5 per grey bag. तो कंपनी सोल्ड 3000 बैग व्हाइट, तो 3000 व्हाइट बैग, तो इंटू 8, हिज प्रॉफिट इज 24,000, बट ही सेल ग्रे बैग 5000 इंटू 5, 25,000, लॉस मीन्स माइनस. तो व्हाट इज हिज स्कोर? तो हिज लॉस इज ग्रेटर, तो लॉस इज -1000 कि लॉस माइनस का नंबर इज ग्रेटर, पॉजिटिव नंबर इज स्मॉल, सो लॉस इज द 1000. सेकंड, व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ सीमेंट बैग इज मस्ट सेल हैव नाइदर प्रॉफिट और नॉर लॉस. तो कितने व्हाइट बैग और कितने ग्रे बैग होल्ड किए जाएंगे जिसमें कोई प्रॉफिट नहीं हो? तो इन बी नो लॉस और नो प्रॉफिट, कि एक कंपनी को ना तो लॉस हो ना प्रॉफिट हो, तो सॉल्यूशन 7th का भी कैसे हो? तो लेट बी number of bag equal x. You listen properly. A company sell the grey bag and the white bag. White bag profit is ₹8 and grey bag loss ₹6. तो according to question, grey bag sold 6400. तो 6400 sold grey bag. It means loss is into 5 number of white bag x into 8. तो ट्रांसपोर्टिंग मेथड x equal 6400 into 5 upon 8. 8 8 is 64. तो it means white bag sold 4,000. Understand? Question number 9. Replace the integer for correct statement. A -3 into blanks equal 27. It is a very easy. Here positive product is the positive, so we have a minus sign. 3 9 get 27. Get 27 divided by 3 minus 9. B 5 into blanks equal minus 35. So here minus sign 7 5 7 is 35. So it is the explanation of the exercise 1.3. So I hope that I have left some question. It's your homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.